In the heart of Igbo land, where the earth is red and the sun rises with promise, there lived a people who believed that every object had a spirit and every action had a consequence. Among all things, the kola nut was sacred. It was not just food. It was a symbol of welcome, truth, peace, and unity. In this land, kola was never broken in anger. In this village lived two brothers, Obioma and Uchenna, born of the same father, raised under the same roof, yet divided by pride. That land is mine. Father favored me. Let peace guide us. We are still brothers. Their quarrel grew louder than the village drums. The land their father left behind became a wall between them. The elders spoke. Wisdom was offered, but pride closed Uchenna's ears, and silence filled their compound. At last, the village priest called the brothers to the square. In his hands was one kola nut, old, firm, and unbroken. This kola nut will speak for truth. Uchenna stepped forward first, his heart full of anger. The kola refused him. Let peace speak before pride. The kola opened fully, strong and complete. The kola nut does not choose the strong. It chooses the truthful. Shame entered Uchenna's heart. Pride left his body. Brother, forgive me. Peace returned, and the land was shared with fairness. From that day, the people said, he who comes with a clean heart will always be welcomed by kola. Remember, kola listens, and peace is always stronger than pride.